From hurricanes to volcanoes, Earth is home to some pretty extreme environments. But even our most extreme can't hold a candle to some of the extremes you find in the rest of our solar system. Venus. First on our list is Earth's sickly sister planet, Venus. Though Earth and Venus are both about the same size and both look beautiful from far away, that's where the similarities end. The Venusian atmosphere is so dense that the atmospheric pressure on the surface of Venus is equal to 90 Earth atmospheres. But wait, there's more. The planet's thick CO2 atmosphere traps more heat energy than it can radiate back out into space. Like a giant killer thermal blanket of doom, the Venusian atmosphere has smothered Venus and scorched its surface. Temperatures on the surface of Venus can reach a killer, and I do mean killer, 864 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. Despite being named after the goddess of love, Venus is no place for romance. Jupiter. Jupiter isn't only the biggest planet in our solar system, it is also arguably one of the stormiest. Jupiter is pockmarked in storms, but perhaps its most famous or infamous feature is a massive vortex known as the Great Red Spot. This massive storm is 12,400 miles long and has been raging for hundreds of years, perhaps much longer than we know, with a max wind speed reaching more than 400 miles per hour. Not exactly picnic weather. Not that a picnic would be possible on Jupiter, since Jupiter is a gas giant, which means that the closest thing it has to a solid surface is a small rocky core, where the atmospheric pressure would be unbelievable and unbearable. You'd get crushed. Io. While we're at Jupiter, let's visit the terrifying little Jovian moon called Io. From far away, Io looks a bit like a ball of moldy cheese, or pizza, depending on who you ask. But a closer look reveals something even more menacing and terrifying than fridge mold. Because Io is, in fact, the most volcanically active object in the solar system. The entire moon is covered in active volcanoes, spewing out volcanic plumes that can reach 190 miles above the surface. Io's volcanic activity is largely due to the constant, unforgiving tug of Jupiter's gravity, which pulls and tugs relentlessly at the little moon. This constant tug of war with Jupiter keeps the subsurface crust of Io mostly liquid, resulting in the volcanic eruptions we have observed all across the moon's surface. Titan. Moving along, we arrive at Saturn's cloudy, mysterious, supercooled moon, Titan, the second largest moon in our solar system. Beneath Titan's veil of thick, yellowy orange clouds is a frozen landscape with a surface temperature of less than negative 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Titan is covered in frozen water ice and seas of liquid methane. This methane follows a cycle similar to the water cycle on Earth, evaporating from Titan's methane oceans and eventually raining down upon Titan's frozen continents. In 2005, the Huygens probe carried by the Cassini spacecraft landed on the surface of Titan, revealing the breathtakingly alien and beautiful landscape, and marking an historic achievement for space exploration. The first probe to land on an object in the outer solar system. Neptune. Last on our list is a frozen ice giant of the outer solar system, Neptune. Neptune's atmosphere is thick and deep, gradually transitioning from gas to liquid to solid. Slick white streaks of clouds move across the surface of the atmosphere in thin strands. The winds on Neptune can be 3 times greater than those on Jupiter, ripping up the Neptunian skies at more than 1,200 miles per hour, which is fast. An Earth-sized Neptunian storm, known as the Great Dark Spot, moved across the planet at 700 miles per hour. And you thought Chicago was windy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out InfoMelt for more videos and look in the description for more goodies. And of course, until next time, bon voyage, safe travels.